Hello friends, today we're going to be replacing the wheel bearing, the hub wheel bearing on this is a 2003 Chevy Malibu. We're going to put a new wheel bearing. The problem on this car is that the ABS light keeps coming on, and then the ABS pump kicks on, and when you're stepping on the brakes, you can feel the pulsation on the brakes because the ABS pump is kicking on. That's happening because of the ABS wheel speed sensor, which is integrated on the wheel bearing. So when you get this problem, unfortunately, you gotta replace the whole wheel bearing. Now you gotta take the axle nut out, which I'm gonna use. This is a 36 millimeter. Now to take the hub assembly out, it's gonna have 3 bolts. You can see them, one here, and the other one is over here. So we just take those 3 bolts out, and it should just slide out. Sometimes they're kind of stuck or seized in. You gotta hit them a little bit with the sledgehammer, pum pum pum, and it will just come out. Okay friends, so these are the 3 bolts I was talking about. See, 3 bolts. Disconnect your harness from the speed sensor, and then we just need to knock this out. All right. Now, here we go. Okay, so this is the old bearing. See, it came apart while taking it out, but we got it. So now we're gonna clean all this. See all this white stuff? You gotta clean it out, make this surface, nice and smooth. Then put the new one, bolt it in, and put everything back together. All right, friends. Now we got everything back for the wheel bearing. So we got the 3 bolts torqued and bolted down. We got the wheel bearing speed sensor connected, hooked in place. Make sure it grabs firm on the bracket, because if this falls and then this wire starts rubbing against the axle, it can create the same problem, because then you're gonna have a open circuit on the sensor. I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, please like us and subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.